back to my channel. If you're looking for a sweet cold treat to make for these hot summer days, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade Stracciatella Gelato. Stracciatella is a gelato flavor that is kind of equivalent to chocolate chip ice cream, but it's not ice cream. Gelato and ice cream are actually different from each other. Gelato has more milk than cream, which means it has less fat and less air percentage, so it is thick and creamy. And gelato is served at a warmer temperature than ice cream, so it's not overly cold and you're able to enjoy the flavor you're having. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest videos. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking. To make Stracciatella Gelato, you'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3/4 cup of sugar, 4 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. To get started, in a large bowl, beat the egg yolks and sugar for about 2 minutes, then set it aside. Heading over to the stove, heat the milk and the cream in a medium saucepan over low-medium heat until small bubbles form around the edges. Make sure to not let it come to a boil. Remove it from the stove and add about 1/4 cup of the hot milk cream mixture into the egg yolk mixture. Then pour the rest and whisk until combined. Transfer the mixture back into the saucepan and let it cook over low-medium heat, stirring with a wooden spoon constantly until it thickens and coats the back of your spoon. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve into a large bowl, then add the vanilla extract and mix. Cover with plastic wrap, making sure the plastic wrap touches the mixture to prevent a skin from forming. Then let it chill in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. Hey everyone, it's CCakes. While the gelato is chilling in the fridge, I want to take this time to say thank you so much for 200 plus subscribers. My mind is still blown on hitting 200 plus. I love that you're all enjoying these videos. I love making them for you all, and like I always say, there are more videos to come because there are definitely more videos to come. I hope you're all enjoying the video so far, so let's hop right back in and check on the gelato. If you're using an ice cream gelato machine, place the insert of the machine into the freezer and let it sit overnight. Turn on your machine and place your gelato custard into the frozen insert. Freeze the custard according to your machine's instructions. Mine took about 30 minutes. About 20 minutes in, I chopped and melted the chocolate, then slowly added it to the mixture in the machine. Don't worry, it won't turn into chocolate gelato. The cold temperature of the custard freezes the chocolate as soon as it's added, creating bits of chocolate. When your gelato is thick and creamy, and after a little taste test, scoop into a container. Cover it with a lid or plastic wrap and place it in the back of your freezer to keep frozen. Scoop into your choice of a cup or a cone and enjoy your Stracciatella Gelato. If you want to upgrade your gelato, you can make an avocado. This is an Italian dessert that is often sold in gelaterie or gelato stores. To make an avocado, grab a glass or a cup, scoop of your homemade Stracciatella Gelato, make some espresso or coffee, and pour it over the gelato. In Italian, avocado means drowned, and that's exactly what you're doing, drowning your delicious gelato in warm espresso. Avocado is one of my favorites, and if you make it, you'll feel like you're in Italy, especially with some homemade gelato. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest videos. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had so much fun making gelato. I have not made ice cream or gelato in years, and tasting this brought me back to Florence, Italy. So if you are thinking of traveling to Italy but you can't get to Italy right away, make gelato. If you recreate the gelato recipe or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well, enjoy your gelato, and have a great summer. Bye!